It's Green Thumb Girlie, come grow with me. One little seed can set you free. Family roots, sunshine, skies, we're learning.
Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia, Green Thumb Girlie to you. And what's up to all my Green Thumb Girlies and guys? You guys, I wanted to come and start my channel. I'm so excited to bring you on with this journey with me as a beginner gardener. I started gardening and just learning and trying to play and just feel my way in a container garden about 2 to 3 years ago. And gardening is my happy, quiet place. It's for me. I absolutely love everything about gardening. I love the sun. I love everything green. I love to, plant just about anything. And also, if I didn't mention it, I am in zone 9A. And it is super, super hot and super rainy here lately. So I just wanted to come and bring you all along with my journey. You see, I got me some starter plants right here. I got a sneak peek at some things I plan to do to make my garden into a garden oasis, and I want to bring you all along with me on that entire journey. So if you're interested in this type of videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the little notification bell, and if you are a fellow Green Thumb Girlie or Green Thumb guy, I would definitely check you out as well. Okay, I want to shout out so many people, but I know that I don't have the time or capacity to do so. But there are so many individuals that I follow on the YouTube platform and other platforms that have just been so inspirational and so loving and kind to see their journey. And I said, well, there's got to be a little bit of space for me too to share my journey. And hopefully you guys like it. But my little one is getting ready to come out from eating breakfast, and this was the quiet moment I had to come and introduce myself. I thank you so much for joining in with my journey. Stay tuned. Welcome, welcome, welcome to my garden. It is the official Green Thumb Girlie. This is my cute little intro for my channel, my trailer, just introducing myself and letting you all see what I have going on right now, because this is all going to change, and I'm so excited to bring you on the journey with me. You see, we have some red bell peppers, we have green, we have lots of baby plants over here that we're getting ready to get out of here really soon. We have some orange tender sweet, some crimson sweet watermelon, we have some garden sweet tomatoes, cucumbers, some Charentis melons. Right here we have some lemon cucumbers that are coming out, sweetie tomatoes, Jubilee watermelon. And you guys, I'm so excited. I'm so excited for you all to see how I transform my garden and make it into my vision that I have had for so many years. This was my starter garden. I started out 3 years ago, just starting a homeschool garden. And we pretty much started with 2 of the fabric 8 by 4 foot, just the same length like this, 8 feet by 4 feet across, fabric garden beds. We had 2 of them. Well, the fabric began to break and all of that, so we ended up doing the center blocks in wood. But this was just to start, you guys, and now we're so excited to bring you along here as we start our official garden. It's going to be how it's going to be, just like I have always imagined it to be. You can see we have 2 different types of cucumbers here. We have some okra plants, Star of David, and then regular cowhorn okra over there. We have squash, and this is my first year growing this type of squash. It is Watham squash. Watham, I believe. Let me see what it's called. It is Watham button squash. That's what it is. And look at this. Where did it go? Look at this squash already coming here. It's absolutely beautiful plant, and we have 4 of them growing. We have another, I think this is a cucumber that I had to transplant, and it doesn't seem to be doing too good, and that's okay. But we also had some peas. We have some one-dough peas and some sugar peas, and the girls put that in before we realized it's not the season for the sugar snap peas. Over here we have 2 different types of tomato plant, and we actually have one that's already giving us a little baby tomato here. All right, and then over here we have some more things as well, but I just wanted to show y'all this is my backyard. You can see how much space we have. Over here we have some marigolds, and we have some other flowers that we put in. We had a mum there, And I wanted to do like a marble rock type of thing, but girls and guys, this is all getting ready to change. Look how beautiful these flowers are. Absolutely beautiful. I had a different plant in here, and these wild flower plants that I planted, I didn't realize they were so big, but they are definitely taking over the space. Then we put some pollinator wildflower seeds in here, so we'll see what that does. Over here we have our Celeste fig, and just so you all know, we are in the Texas region, right outside of Houston, Texas. This is my first fig tree, and I wanted to get a fig in dedication to my maternal grandparents. They had a beautiful fig tree in their yard, and I didn't get to taste any of their fig, but I just remember hearing so much about the fig tree, and I remember the smell of barbecue and all of those things that just remind me of them, and this is in dedication to them. It's our little fig tree. We picked this one up from Home Depot about a month or two ago, and it was $39.98. Over here we have our container of potatoes, and these are regular rustic potatoes, you guys. I know it's getting rather hot, but this area pretty much shades the majority of the day, and I think that everything's doing pretty good. I feel like it's kind of trying to die off a little bit. I was going to fill it up here with some more soil, but I'm not, because I put them down. I filled it up with soil once already, and I don't want to do it again because I think that they're probably going to die soon. We have our composter here. I picked this one up from Aldi. I want to say it was like 30 bucks or something like that. It works really good. Over here, you see my little kiddos messing with everything. We have some more tomatoes, and these are not doing so good. I don't know. These actually came in a big pack from Home Depot. These are beefsteak tomato plants, and it was 5 plants. These were all included. This one, and then the one right over there were all included in this one planter. And I didn't know it at the time that it was that many plants.
Hey y'all, welcome home to me, where the garden grows so naturally. Out back in the Texas breeze, we're planting hope, we're growing peace. It's Green Thumb Girlie, come grow with me. One little seed can set you free. Family roots, sunshine skies, we're learning love in garden time. One seedling at a time, come grow with me. Hold your hands in the soil, hearts open wide, making memories side by side. Mistakes and wins, they both belong. That's the rhythm of our garden song. It's Green Thumb Girlie, come grow with me. One little seed can set you free. Family roots, sunshine skies, we're learning love in garden time. One seedling at a time, come grow with me. Join in every season, we take our chance. Patience and joy in every plant. A little southern soul, a whole lot of grace, finding beauty in the simple space. It's Green Thumb Girlie, come grow with me. One little seed can set you free. Family roots, sunshine skies, we're learning love in garden time. One seedling at a time, come grow with me. Let's grow together, y'all. One seed, one moment, one family at a time.